471 new cases of COVID-19 were detected in Kyrgyzstan during the day, the Ministry of Health and Social Development reports. 212 cases were registered in Bishkek, Orsh 7, Chui Region 110, Orsh 5, Talas 14, Naryn 4, Issyk-Kul 38, Jalalabad 60, Batken 21. A total of 169,971 cases of COVID-19 were registered in Kyrgyzstan. 7,027 people received treatment from coronavirus infection. 4,418 outpatients and 2,609 stationary patients. Among them, 163 people are in extremely serious condition. 712 are in serious condition. The condition of 1,713 patients, or 65.6%, is assessed as moderate. 20 patients are in satisfactory condition. During the day, 995 people recovered in the Republic. Since the beginning of March, 159,280 people have recovered. In addition, the coronavirus has caused the deaths of 6 people for the past 24 hours. During the pandemic, 2,413 people died in Kyrgyz Republic.